that on your head. Well, I have my webcam going now. What do you look like? Now can you put it on and stick your tongue out? There you go, now you got a neck brace. See, if only I had something to put on my head too.
Yep, that's it.
Huh? Is that you? Look in the camera and say bye. Look right up there. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.